Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Where is the rear window defroster relay? We'll demonstrate on 2016 Ford F-150. You guys have two different fuse boxes, but we'll need to open the fuse box that's under the hood, known as the engine bay fuse box or battery junction box. So if you come right behind your car battery, you have that fuse box cover here. You open that fuse box, guys, and you will see a layout that will look just like this one. And these guys will be the front of your F-150 truck. This will, guys, be towards the windshield side of your F-150. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now, if you guys pay attention, you're going to notice that you have all kinds of fuses, relays that could be really hard to find or overpriced at the parts store. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some replacement ones at a really good price and quick shipping as well. We will need to come in that relay panel right here, and the one for the rear window defroster, guys, is the one on the left side, the very top one. That relay right here is for the rear window defroster that you will need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.